In this video, we will learn how to use bullets and numbering for text in Adobe Photoshop 2025. Go to the toolbar, select the text tool, select the horizontal type tool. Now type your text. Select the text. Go to the window. Click on the paragraph. Now click on the bulleted list. You can give paragraph number by clicking on a numbered list. Now go to the window. Click on Properties. Here you will find the different type of bullets and numbering format. Use as you like. Thanks for watching the video.